Here, your concept or your project, whatever you have planned, he will definitely go ahead with our this thing, with our presentation or whatever things are there, because you have taken care of the farming, you have taken care of the recruitment, you have taken care of the financials, you have taken care of the security. In all means, you have taken care. Who will say no to your concept?
So, and especially when you are arranging a meeting for me. Because I am not sure, because I have really given this trunkle to all three leaders, basically to Mr. Narendra Modi, to Mr. Amit Shah, and to Mr. Nitin Gadkari also, because I am having lot many projects for Mr. Nitin Gadkari. I am having a plan. Do you know I am having a plan? Accident free Bharat.
Accident free Bharat.
Yes, it's doable. It's doable. It's doable. Do you know I am having a plan? Red light free or light free, traffic light free Bharat.
मैं भोपाल आ रहा हूँ आपके साथ.
Do you know I am having? I today only I discussed with the Silpa about all these concepts. If you listen 1 hour long discussion with Silpa, you can hear those concepts as well.
Okay.
Or next time I will explain it to you. So basically I wanted, because Nitin Gadkari is a man of action. He is a man of imagination.
No, he is a core RSS guy, and basically from Nagpur.
Even we can go and meet Mr. Nitin Gadkari also, no issue.
Oh, I'll be really delighted, sir. He is my inspiration actually.
So basically, let's have a plan to meet Honorable Narendra Modi ji.
Sure, sir.
And secondly, let's meet Mr. Amit Shah and Nitin Gadkari. These three persons should be in our target. And Nitin Gadkari can help us to really in enlarging our concepts also. He can even give his frank views, and those views could be useful in further improving on our system.
Okay. So we can once we are in Delhi, we can meet Nirmala Sitharaman also.
Absolutely no issue, but I don't consider her a lady of great virtue. I don't consider him very. I don't consider her very intelligent too.
No. It is not in that way. Why? Because I'm telling things to happen smoothly. You understand?
Okay. I can go and meet any Tom Dick. Just a minute. I am saying I am ready to meet any Tom, Dick and Harry if it helps in our project.
Yes, that is what I am telling you, sir. क्योंकि hello कहने में we will get some benefit.
No only hello, we will say that your financial. Just a minute. देखिए, उनका जो burden है, we are reducing to the half. We are increasing income of the government of India by 20 times. We are making this country tax free.
Yes.
We will make this country paper currency free.
Yes,
Maintaining paper currency is a very costly affair. Do you know that?
Yeah, sir. It is crores of money. Crores.
Yeah. So
almost India का जो पेपर में जितना पैसा खर्चा होता है, इंडिया का almost 10-15% of the budget is wasted on paper.
So if that could be done away, what is the problem?
That is what I understood your point, Sirji.
So basically what we are saying, the only threat about the paper currency is the cyber crime, right? Paper currency free Bharat is a cyber crime. I guarantee nobody can dare to commit cyber crime in India. I will make that kind of the ecosystem. Mr. Shridhar, you must be surprised. You must be surprised with my confidence. Are you?
No. You know why I gave a gap? My mind was somewhere else when you told this.
Okay.
मैं सोच रहा हूँ, how can this be possible?
Okay, we will discuss it tomorrow.
Hmm.
I will give you the thread where people, capable people,
Hmm.
crudest of the cyber criminal would not dare to indulge in the cyber crime. Would not dare. Would not dare. And it will not only happen in India. Even
Hmm.
people sitting in the enemy countries,
Hmm.
they will not dare to.
ठीक है,
बट
सर जी।
माननीय नरेंद्र मोदी जी को मेरी पूरी 100% बात मानना पड़ेगी।
Hmm.
और
Yeah,
उन्हें
सर
उन्हें
जी।
दो तीन काम करना पड़ेगा। एक तो उन्हें मुझे ही हैज टू मेक मी नेशनल एडवाइजर फॉर क्राइम फ्री भारत विथ 21 ऑब्जेक्टिव,
ठीक है।
नंबर वन। नंबर टू, ही हैज टू गिव मी ए कैबिनेट रैंक so that I can speak to the people with authority. Right? I will not do anything without taking Mr. Modi in confidence. Once,
Okay.
once green signal is given, then it has to be implemented.
हाँ. Okay, okay. We'll do one
I
thing.
will make this country cyber crime free within 6 months. People may be capable of committing crime, but they will not dare to even look at it. I mean, forget about committing. They will not even look at the side of the cyber crime.
मैं समझता हूँ, समझ
It is
रहा हूँ।
my friend, is doable. And if you want to listen, you please listen my last communication with Silpa, and I have explained it in little detail.
Okay, sir.
How it can be made cyber crime free, and it's very very easy with the time kind of the kind of the intellect we are having. And now you talk of the Google.
Okay.
गूगल का अपने पास क्या है ना, उसके मैप हैं, मैप इज आल्सो बारोड, एवरीथिंग इज बारोड। आप एक अच्छा ऐप बना दीजिए, कल जो है ना गूगल उसे खरीद लेता है। तो हमारे ऐप बनाने वाले इंडियंस हैं। मैं जब डीजी रेलवेज था तो आई वाज टॉकिंग टू विद द ऑनर ऑफ द वेयर इज द ट्रेन, राइट? And he was partner with us, and we were talking how the crime free Bharat he can join, and how basically we can provide the security covers and other things so that FIR could be registered, making use of even his platform also, and those kind of the things, right? And he was all, one fine day he gave me a ring, sir, we are bought by Google, right? So what the Google is doing, यदि वो बाय कर सकता है तो हमारे पास तो 20 टाइम्स ज्यादा मनी होगी। वी विल बाय, वी विल क्रिएट। वो तो खरीदता है, हम तो पैदा करने की औकात रखते हैं।
ओके सर जी, आई एम गेटिंग सम कॉल्स ऑन माय
नाउ इट इज, आई थिंक, overdue to disconnect.
We are just going out actually.
Yeah. So I think it is a.
You take my number from Shilpa ji.
I think what I will advise you after returning call, whatever coming to your, then you just give a twinkle from your side and say hello that I am Shridhar. So I will save your number.
Okay.
Right. So
I am just handing over the call to Shilpa ji.
Right.
Sir ji, thank you very much. It was a very deep conversation.
Yeah, and I hope you enjoyed it.
Yes.
Oh, great. I think this is all happening because of the grace of the God. It is the God which is helping.
Yes, absolutely, sir ji. What did you feel after speaking to Mr. Shridhar?
Oh, it's wonderful. Okay. He is a man of resources. Number one, he is a man of connection, and he is a great dedicated person who is having a very keen desire to see India is going ahead, and he is sincere to the core. So I don't see any reason. I think it is just wonderful. I would like to thank you for connecting with him.
No. Please don't say thanks. Okay. It's my pleasure. Yeah, okay. It's an honor to be getting associated with you, sir ji.
Great. And we are very soon expecting you to be at Bhopal.
Yes.
Okay,
definitely.
Thank you. Okay,
yes.
Okay, bye.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Happy New Year once again. Bye, sir.
Okay, and once again, Happy New Year to you, to Shridhar, and to all the members of the family. Thank you.
Thank you, sir ji.
Okay.
Wish you this.
Okay.
Thank you.
Bye.